Get ready for a jaw-dropping journey through the world of unstoppable machines. From fire-breathing engines to mind-blowing rescue missions and massive mining hauls, this video brings you raw power, close calls, and heavy-duty action like you've never seen before. Buckle up, this is heavy machinery at its most intense. With unmatched off-road capability, the Terry 34 is built for precision and power in demanding forestry operations. Its compact body and rugged tracks allow smooth maneuvering over steep slopes and uneven terrain, ensuring peak performance in even the harshest environments. Meanwhile, the Jarac Evo Pro LARM glides effortlessly through muddy paths. Thanks to its modern design, track stability, and agile grapple arm, it tackles logs with ease, showcasing versatility and strength in any forest condition. Switching to a surreal urban scene, watch as the SpaceX Falcon 9 booster glides through tight city intersections. Its aerodynamic body and cutting-edge control system make for a mesmerizing image against the skyline, blending space-age tech with earthbound engineering. If scenes like these fire you up, comment with the number 1 below. In the mining world, the mighty Mercedes Actros hauls the gigantic L2350 wheel loader, tipping the scales at over 573,000 pounds, to the Antacma mine. Together with the powerful Komatsu W1850, this combo represents unmatched industrial muscle. Tension rises as a heavy-duty truck suddenly slips off a slope. Its front end dangles dangerously over the edge, a stark reminder of how raw and unpredictable these machines can be. Over to a tense moment, Spencer Fair attempts to pull a Ford 8000 tractor despite a broken axle. But the mission halts when the tire slips, raising the stakes in this high-risk scene. Suddenly, an inferno. A fire suppression system kicks in, extinguishing massive flames in under 3 seconds. Precision coolant blasts from all angles, proving how far safety tech has come. At the port, disaster strikes. A seaboard marine crane cable snaps mid-lift, sending a heavy load crashing down. The violent impact serves as a powerful warning about the dangers hidden in everyday heavy operations. Next, a massive Boeing 747 meets its end, dismantled piece by piece by a link belt machine. Like a mechanical predator, the arm cuts through the jet's metal hide with shocking strength and precision. In Grand Prairie, a historic moment. The The iconic camphor wood crane is dismantled after decades of service, leaving behind a legacy in both the timber industry and local memory. But not all crane scenes end peacefully. In one chilling moment, a crane tips while lowering an excavator into a pit. The crash sends shockwaves through the site, emphasizing the high stakes of every lift. Ever seen peat trucks go up in flames? Thick black smoke pours out as fire consumes multiple trucks, turning the site into a blazing inferno. It's a raw look at nature's fuel and the power it holds. In another harrowing incident, a pipe-laying machine collapses mid-task, sending massive steel pipes tumbling and halting progress in a major construction project. Back to the coal fields, a massive truck unloads its cargo as workers secure the load. The combination of man and machine creates a stunning display of teamwork and strength. Elsewhere, a concrete mixer is hoisted high into position by a towering crane, preparing to pour the foundation of a critical structure. It's a balancing act of timing, power, and precision. Don't blink. Watch the legendary Kenworth C509 truck convoy slice through a raging river. These beasts defy the elements, proving their strength in nature's toughest challenges. In an incredible display of skill, an excavator tiptoes around a curb using only its bucket, avoiding any contact. The control and finesse are truly something to behold. Love machines like these? Drop a comment below to show your support.